Hello my friends and welcome back to another video. Today I have another $5 store DIYs. For my first DIY, I am taking these two photo frames from the dollar store and I'm just going to be overlapping each one. Inside one I'll be hanging some hooks to hang like some jewelry, some keys, or whatever it is that you want. And then in between I'm just going to put these really small hinges that I had on hand. I'm pretty sure you can find these at the hardware store or the craft store, but I already had these ones. Um, and for the back to hang it, I'm just using some command strips. For my second DIY, I'm taking one of these little wire baskets from the Dollartree, and I'm just kind of shaping it kind of into a fruit basket. You can use this for fruit, potatoes, to put like your K-cups, whatever it is you want to do. I thought this was a really cute idea, and it turned out really cool, and I can't wait to use it.
Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna
For my
fight
third
over
DIY, I'm
love,
just making a
don't wanna
lantern
fall.
with a stand.
Just wanna
I'm
make it
taking a
last
balloon and I'm using some school glue, white school glue, and some tissue. And I just cut the tissue up into strips, applied some glue, a thin layer of glue onto the balloon first, and then I'm going to put some tissue over the balloon. And you're going to see I'm going to keep repeating this until I have, I believe, 3 to 4 layers of tissue paper.
You start to get dressed and then we cry. 'Cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. We had a good run, don't say we didn't. I was your first love, and you were my first one. Cheers to all the memories, the venom and the remedies, yeah. Promise I won't forget, yeah. Maybe it's something in the water, yeah. Or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter, yeah. It's too late
Once you have the desired thickness you want, you can add as much layers as you want. I just did the 3 or 4 layers. I can't really remember, but I left this overnight drying in my laundry room because it's really warm in there. But you want it to completely dry before you go ahead and pop the balloon.
Wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry. Cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here right now before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does.
So once your balloon here has fully dried, I'm going to go ahead and pop it. You want to do just a little hole so it can deflate really slowly. And then you want to make like a circle. I just used a red solo cup and I just traced around it. And then I cut with scissors. And for the stand, I'm just using some wooden dowels from the dollar store and some popsicle sticks. Now I'm just using some battery operated fairy lights and this project is done. For my fourth DIY, I'm just taking a canvas from the dollar store and then one from the Dollartree. I think it's like a little wooden jewelry box. I'm not too sure what it is. I grabbed 2 of them and I'm just going to glue them together. Then I'm just going to take a few wooden beads and use them for the bottom, kind of like for legs. And then I'm just going to paint this white and that's it for this one. So this is my final DIY for this video. I'm just making my own little candle here, and I'm using most of these products from the Dollar Tree.
Now I'm kinda glad you did. 'Cause now you adore me, adore me. Go ahead now, adore me, adore me. Little did I know she wanted you alone. I thought she was over you, but I guess I was wrong. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes she made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. She thought she could tear us apart when she kissed your lips. Oh, what a plot twist. 'Cause now you adore me, adore me. Go ahead now, adore me, adore me. Oh, so cruel. Oh, so I've been trying to bend the rules since I barely was walking. I've been trying harder all my life, 'cause I need to be perfect. If I could just be a little better, maybe you could be my salvation out of here. I can get it off, we are never done. I'm Juliet, baby, you are like the sun. Pour out your love, fill me to the top. Let me in that champagne burst and pop. 'Cause as long as you're here with me, I'll be living, loving wild and free. I can get it off, fill me to the top. Let me in that champagne burst and pop. I just give 200% every day 'cause I own it. I'm fighting all of my life, I'm bad and I know it. If I could just be a little better.
I want to thank you guys so much for stopping by and watching today's video. Please stay tuned. I'll have future videos coming up. I'm taking breaks in between just because I have a lot going on between the next couple months, between vacation and weddings and just personal stuff. So please stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that like. Leave me a comment and let me know which DIY was your favorite. Mine was definitely the lantern. Thank you guys again, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.